it too high? Ooh, that's going to be heavy.
It's not falling.
No, it isn't falling. You're right. You going to put your elephant in there? Be careful. Don't knock it over. Put the elephant in there. Hmm.
Another one here.
You need another one there?
Somebody's in the backyard. Somebody's talking.
Somebody's in the backyard?
Somebody's in the backyard. He's in the backyard. Somebody wants to come in.
Somebody wants to come in? Who wants to come in?
Wants to come in the house.
You building a house?
Yeah.
Who lives there?
Some pots.
Some hearts live there?
Yeah. I'm gonna put some ladder things on here.
Okay, don't make it too heavy. It might fall over.
It's gonna be a sandcastle.
It's going to be a sandcastle?
Yeah.
It's very creative.
It's gonna be a big sandcastle.
That is a big sandcastle. Maybe we need to plan a trip to the beach where there's some real sand. Ooh, is that a piggy?
Yeah.
Is he going to visit the hearts
Here.
in there?